Now that we've got our new entrance lobby template created, let's talk about how to get some images on here and customize this. For each of these items, such as the central TV, you'll see a drop-down list here. This gives you different ways to upload content onto this template so that people can see it out in the Infiniverse. Let's start with Upload File. When you click Upload File, it will open up windows on your machine so you can browse and find the images that you've created. Here's a PNG file. We'll go ahead and double click and upload that. You can upload PNG files, JPEG files, or if you've got a premium or higher subscription, you can also upload MOV files or MP4 files, so you can have movies up here as well. Now let's talk about the second option. Let's say we want to use this again, but we don't want to upload it again. We can hit the drop down and go to Browse Content. Let's talk about Browse Content. This will take you to an option for 3 different folders. These are in your drives on your Metaverse website. Photos are going to be the screenshots that you have taken when you're running around in the Infiniverse. Metaverses folder contains any items you have uploaded onto a template, such as we're doing right now. And then the Uploads folder is an area where you can upload images that you may want to pull out of your wristwatch. I have one that says, "Be right back," and so I'll put that out of my wristwatch when I have to put my headset off for a minute. Let's go back to the Metaverses because that's where we uploaded this file. When you double click on that, you'll be presented with a folder that has your personal folder, and this is any other Metaverses you've created. I decided I didn't need that Pirate Cove one, so I put it for deletion. Anyway, let's double click on the Scuttlebutt one. Now you can see all the images I've ever uploaded to a template on this account. Here's that image that we want to use again, so we'll just double click on that, and voila, there it is. Even easier, this supports drag and drop. So you could literally open up a folder on your machine and drag it and drop it right down in here. Let's talk about the sizes. If you hover over the question mark, it will tell you 16 by 9 or different dimensions. This tells you what size the image needs to be, or what proportion rather the image needs to be. If you're a little confused at maybe what 16.9 or 16 by 9 is, our friends over in All the Devs have created this great little website that will tell you exactly what they mean by that. So for the 16 by 9 images, if you're savvy in Photoshop or another software package, you'll notice 1920 by 1080 is the optimum size of pixels for the 16 by 9. You can see we've also got the 1 by 1 square icons. Those are for the doors. The 4 by 1 Metaverse banner images, that's for the storefronts and for the tops of the pages. Anyway, really great information here. Back to the Metaverse. Now let's talk about all of these other ones. If you have a video, if you have a business account, you have another option here. If you have the Pro account or higher, you can also link straight from YouTube. And coming soon is the ULive stream. That's really cool. Looking forward to playing around with that. If you decide you've made a mistake and that's not the one you want, you can always hit clear. If you decide to put in an image that doesn't quite fit the right dimensions, it's going to look a little weird, such as if we try to put a square picture into a 16 by 9, it's not going to fit just right. So you may want to clear that and decide to go back in with something that does fit, such as the Infinimaps. If you haven't visited the Infinimaps website, it's better than nothing.